Welcome to Yesterday in Crypto. Let's dive into markets. Bitcoin closed the weekly candle at $82,000 after a rather uneventful and choppy week. We tested a new low at $77,000 with a range high of $85,000. There's not much new analysis to share this week. We're still looking at a bearish retest scenario, and we remain range-bound for the foreseeable future. I'm fairly confident that Bitcoin will test both the lows at $77,000, negative $78,000, and the upper dollar $80,000s in the coming weeks. The key question is which direction will move first to test downward or push upward. My sense is that Bitcoin's price action will likely follow traditional markets for the next few weeks. If stocks appear to establish a short-term low and stabilize, Bitcoin will probably follow suit. The most favorable and likely scenario is that we continue to move sideways until the monthly and quarterly close, maintaining $80,000 as support and allowing moving averages and momentum oscillators to catch up. For bullish confirmation, we still want to see Bitcoin reclaim the $90,000 range and then the $95,000 breakdown level. I've marked the $87,000 negative $88,000 area on my chart as a potential zone to reduce risk on my recent spot purchases, as this could represent a lower high with bullish confirmation if we push above the nearby range. Majors. Since Bitcoin isn't showing much action, let's examine altcoin sand. The picture isn't particularly pretty. I'll provide both a bullish target for buying confirmation of a turnaround and a bearish level where I would consider buying support. While all of these coins may experience short-term bounces, these are the levels where I'm actually interested in bidding. Ripple. Ripple is clearly the strongest major and maintains its high time frame uptrend against Bitcoin. So far, the $2 support has held firm. A retest of that area would be a buy until proven otherwise. If $2 fails, expect significant downside. Short-term resistance remains at $2.5, giving us a nice trading range. A high time frame close above $3 would look extremely bullish and likely signal much higher prices ahead. Solana. Not an attractive chart against either USDT or Bitcoin. While $120 is held thus far, this chart suggests a potential breakdown to $100 or lower if Bitcoin weakens. I'd look for a strong bounce in the $80 negative 100 range. For bullish confirmation, I'd want to see a reclaim of $180. I'll remain on the sidelines with Solana until either target is reached. Ethereum. ETH charts against both USDT and Bitcoin look the worst of the majors, showing a terrible long-term downtrend. Above $2,800, ETH would start to look decent. I'd anticipate a strong bounce if we capitulate to the $1,500, $1,600 range. Other altcoins? It's challenging to find compelling altcoin charts at the moment, but Toncoin stands out for showing strength. Of course, this strength could reverse quickly, as we've seen with other recent performers like LTC and SEI. But if the market shows signs of bottoming, I'd focus on Toncoin and Ripple. If Toncoin can close above $3.85, I'd expect it to take the next leg up to around $5. The hyperliquid chart looks terrible, but it's hard to be extremely bearish on a protocol that buys back $1.5 minus 3 million of its token daily through sustainable revenue. This equates to about 15% of the total token supply bought back annually at current prices. For me, this is a case of closing your eyes, holding your nose, and bidding below $13. Cardano is trading within a range between $0.8, $1, and $0.66. Very tradable. Whichever way this range breaks, it should then move with volatility toward either $1 or $0.5. Stay solvent, stay